Hello guys, welcome back to CryptoConnex. In this channel, we talk about the most recent Pi network news as well as cryptocurrency news in general. If you are new here, kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell to get updated whenever we post similar videos. Before we go any further, this channel has resumed its daily giveaway of 30 Pi coins to become the lucky winner. Simply comment Pi network to the moon with the rocket emoji. Good luck to you all. The native token of the Pi network is still regarded as the most promising, even more than 4 years after it was first released. The price of the Pi network is likely to be discussed in relation to cryptocurrencies in April 2023. There is currently no formal way to add the Pi currency to your portfolio of investments, though some individuals have been planning ahead, which I will unveil in my next video. Users who have mined and hold the Pi cryptocurrency can only transfer or trade their tokens when the mainnet database has been fully disclosed. According to the project website, this is done to stop coin-filled wallets from being amassed under false names. It should be emphasized that quantities are anticipated to be honored when Pi changes from testing mode to a fully functional network before we talk about the price. Because of this, the token is not really traded on any exchanges or trading platforms for cryptocurrencies. Rather, it IOUs all already listed on Binance and other cryptocurrency exchanges. Let's talk about the news that could have a big impact on the currency. Pioneers will examine the testnet environment of the Pi network. Pioneers can utilize the Pi network testnet environment, which is part of the Pi browser program, to do research and get a glimpse of what the main net might look like. One of numerous changes unveiled by the Pi Core team on Pi Day 2023 to assess future mainnet applications and offer developers input is the new testnet ecosystem interface, which includes testnet apps on the mobile mining blockchain. In general, the Pi network's testnet environment enables developers to produce apps that through innovation raise their eligibility for inclusion on the main network. Pioneers, on the other hand, will make use of the functionality to review and comment on their chosen programs with premium utilities. The Pi Core team's choice will guarantee that innovators are involved in the development of use cases in the decentralized finance DeFi field. On March 14, 2023, the Pi network launched the Ecosystem Ambassador programs for blockchain pioneers as a part of the celebration of Pi Day in 2023. Additionally, the statement states that ecosystem ambassadors will receive Pi when they successfully incorporate successful Pi applications into the mobile mining ecosystem. The Ecosystem Ambassador program is a recent initiative that rewards innovators with Pi currency. Its objective is to locate and motivate developers to create Pi apps. The concept allows those who aren't familiar with product development and software programming to contribute to the Pi community by recognizing developers. Pi network will make it clear how business owners can participate in the lucrative venture. The Pi Bridge utility token, which connects the Pi network and BNB chain, made its debut on the PancakeSwap. CoinMarketCap is currently monitoring it. The wrapped Pi performs the role of an unauthorized BNB chain token. Pi will soar to a record-breaking high of $100 amid the crypto mania towards the tail end of 2025. The cost will decrease below $1 almost as soon as it did when it first began to rise. Despite slight price increases in the cryptocurrency market, Pi will decrease. A cryptocurrency bull market started in the second half of 2023, and the Pi network will follow suit by passing $50 in November. It has been a fantastic investment for those who will acquire the Pi network early enough, and especially for those who sold around the start of the introduction of the Pi by 2025, but that was then. Investor interest has reportedly been piqued by the cryptocurrency Pi network. The native coin established in 2018 has attracted many users from all over the world. It was also said that when the Pi network emerges, it will replace SWIFT as the preferred method for banks to transmit money abroad. There have been issues with the project chief, among them being the fact that pioneers have been mining this coin for the past 5 years, but it has not yet been listed. Many cryptocurrency exchanges have expressed interest in introducing the Pi network to their platforms. The Pi network has performed well, despite not being listed or introduced into the main net, since it has been embraced by many users all around the world. Here are some of the pivotal Pi network price peaks throughout history. The most notable Pi price peaks over time are listed above. It was anticipated that the initial coin market cap price of $84 would rise to more over $200. In the second quarter of 2022, Pi underwent its first substantial change when it expanded the number of financial institutions in its payment network and significantly decentralized its ledger. Because Pi network has not yet been formally launched into the main net, the majority of cryptocurrency exchanges do not even allow you to buy or sell it. The largest U.S. exchange, Coinbase, which stopped permitting trade, is one example of this. It's more difficult to determine whether it's a smart investment right now. The worldwide payment mechanism of Pi Network has created hundreds of agreements. It has other relationships all across the world as well. Although many of them use Pi as their payment option, some list American Express, Bank of America as some of their most noteworthy partners. Pi's cryptocurrency benefits from its success. The Pi Network co-founder allegedly has 500 million mined Bitcoin. Forbes claims that there is no evidence to support the existence of digital currency and that no information was available. However, as a single person may own a number of anonymous addresses, this information cannot be used to infer who controls the most Pi. To ensure that you are the first to learn about any Pi-related changes, please remember to click the subscribe and the notification bell to support our channel. The bulk of Pi coins will be owned by retail investors via the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. The cryptocurrency's current value has increased by $0.00009 over the last 18 hours. Pi has been on a strong upward trend over the past week, rising by 4.51%. Recently, Pi has demonstrated very significant potential. Now would be an excellent time to go into investing. The price of Pi has climbed by 14.34% over the past month, adding an enormous average of $0.0008 to its present worth. The coin can now turn into a reliable asset if it continues to increase due to its unexpected rise. The cryptocurrency market is still unstable regardless of who has the largest share of the pie, and knowledge about whale ownership should not replace your own study. The coin is a deflationary one with a finite supply and a high concentration of whale ownership. Prior to trading, always conduct your own research by reading up on the most recent news, technical and fundamental analysis, and analyst opinions. Achieving success in the past does not ensure success in the future. The Pi's price may ultimately reach this level after the Pi network is introduced, and it may even go as high as $1,000. The claims that Pi will be the first cryptocurrency to be worth more than $100,000 in a tweet. The Pi is presently $27 according to the CoinMarketCap. The cryptocurrency is the most talked about cryptocurrency in the world after years of mining and will soon be up for trading, and many of the miners will benefit financially. With all of this, we have come to the end of today's video. If you have any business proposal, kindly send us a message in the email or Telegram provided below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to push subscribe and the notification bell, and also like the video. You can also share the video with as many people as you can. We'll also help enlighten others in the same way that you have been enlightened. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.